is Logic's method of editing audio, and there's a lot of different cool ways to edit audio in Logic with the flex mode enabled. I don't know if you heard about Ableton Live, but Ableton Live is a DAW as Logic Pro X is, and it's known for being very flexible with audio files. You can manage it, manipulate it, and do a lot of stuff. But now with the Logic Pro X, they have taken, in my opinion, they're better than Ableton Live in that aspect. And I will show you, of course, how to master the flex mode too. Then we will have a section called Keep It Clean, where I will just show you how to rename tracks, how to make our arrangement and project file very pretty, so it's going to be very easy to manage your project and have it organized, and then it's a lot easier to like know where to go from. If you're like stuck on your project, you don't know where to go, it's a lot easier if you have it clean and organized. You see every instrument, you see where this goes and that goes. So yeah, I will of course show you exactly how to make it clean. Then we're going to go over the mixer section, and Logic is very good in the mixing section. You have a lot of different kind of types that you can mix and have the mixer window in. There's a lot of different things you can do in the mixer, not just with volumes and panning and that kind of stuff. You can do a lot of different stuff with the mixer. Then we're going to go over file management, just how to like organize your files, and just like how to browse your own samples. If you have a lot of different samples in your computer, just to browse through them, and how to import them to your project in an easy way, and yeah, just file management basically. Then we have a key commands section. I will show you how to get quick with key commands in Logic, and I find that key commands is the key. You see what I did there? Key commands are very important in Logic. You will speed up your workflow a lot by just like knowing a few of the key commands, and it's going to be a lot quicker of course. And if you are quicker with doing music, you will have to you will get down your thoughts, your musical thoughts, a lot quicker to Logic, and don't have to mess around with different stuff on your computer. And then we have the section called creating a track. So we'll just create a simple, very basic track, just from scratch to the end, and you will see how I work in Logic. And we'll have a bar here in the bottom that you're going to see every keys I press. So it's very easy for you to just pause the video and see what keys I press to get some functions or whatever I do. Then we're going to have a section called quick tips, and there's going to be some things like how to and why making track icons, transposing audio files in Logic, getting them up in pitch or down in pitch, like stretching audio sounds, defining a song's length, or maybe how to get a track in mono or solo. So it's a lot of different quick tips, and they're going to be a lot more of these videos when I record them. So you can just go back to this course every time and see if there is some new quick tips videos there.